DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, we got a brand new pickup from Entertainment Earth. Shout out to them for sending this box over. Definitely excited to check out the Funko Pops in the box. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Let me fix the Hulk, and let's get into this box right here. So, what do we got? Bang! We got Mariah Carey. We've got Groot, the holiday Groot. We've got Biggie with his jersey. And then we've got the King of New York, Biggie with the crown. So we got 4 Funko Pops. I'm going to show you them all out of the box. I will link in the description box below if you're looking to get any of these Pops. Guaranteed mint condition. These 3 Pops, I will tell you right now, do not sleep on them. The music Pops, once they stop making them and they vault them, later on, you're going to have to spend a pretty penny on them a lot of the times. I always like to show this as an example. This DMC Funko Pop I got years ago. I always said I was going to get the Run Funko Pop, but I never went and got it. Now it's going to cost me about $200 to get Run to go with DMC. And one of these days I'm just going to end up going for it. As much as I don't want to, I hate having DMC without Run. And also Jam Master Jay, which is really hard to find Jam Master Jay. So that's just how it goes down with these music Funko Pops. So do not sleep on them. And without further ado, let's take them out the box. Bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look. And let's rock. So here we go with all of them out of the box. We got the notorious Biggie, King of New York right there. We got Mariah Carey right there, looking really Christmassy. And we got Biggie Smalls with his Biggie jersey. Pretty sure he wore that jersey in Juicy. I'm about like 99% sure. And then we've got, I love this group, man. This is perfect for the holidays. Great to display near your Christmas tree, by the stockings. That's what I do. I got a whole bunch of Christmas Funko Pops I display every single year. And this year is going to be even better because I got more than last year. And I'm sure I'm going to be getting a couple of more before Christmas. Just want to give you a good look at Groot. Great details. I love how the lights kind of just swing down like that. And it's even on top. Like, it's so awesome. This is a great pop. And I think that the ornaments on each branch looks great. We got Biggie. I love how the sunglasses, you can see through them. And you got your gold chain, classic Jesus piece, heavy in the 90s with your baggy jeans, your Timberland boots. Love it. And then there's the other Biggie Smalls Funko Pop with the crown, which looks absolutely amazing. And by the way, if you didn't see yesterday's video, before I forget, we got the Comic-Con exclusive. I was able to get my hands on it early, the New York Comic-Con exclusive, releasing this Friday, of Rick and Morty's Gearhead. So if you want to see a detailed look, definitely watch yesterday's video. And we have the review on the Venom exclusive, plus all the other goodies in that box. I'll let you know if I think it's worth it or not. So make sure you're subscribed because we put out a lot of content here. Let's put him to the back. And let's focus on Mariah. It's a shame we never got a Mariah Biggie Smalls record, you know? I think that would have been dope. And I actually hung out with Mariah back in the days. My friend knew Derek Jeter's sister. It was her birthday. And you know, Derek Jeter used to date Mariah Carey. So I went to this party and it was invite only. And man, it was craziness. We were just popping bottles. Everyone was jumping on couches, singing along the songs, and it was just a lot of fun, man. At this nightclub in the VIP area, that's where the party was, and this paparazzi took mad pictures when I was with Mariah, and I was able to get my hands on the photo. So I'll show you real quick of me and Mariah. It was a good time, man. I definitely think this got the Mariah vibe. She always usually covers one side. That's like one thing that she's known about with her. There's a side profile. And all of these will be linked in the description box. Keep that in mind if you're looking for them. Yeah, man, a Biggie Smalls record with Mariah Carey would have been crazy. I know she had the record with Mace, The Lox, and Diddy, right? Back in the days. But, man, I would have loved to hear an actual, like, real collaboration with Mariah Carey and Biggie. That would have been sick. But she did have that classic collaboration with Old DB. It's classic right there. Rest in peace to Old Dirty Bastard. And I heard they're coming out with Wu-Tang Pop soon. I can't wait. They come out with Wu-Tang Pops, I'm buying all of them. Definitely. 100% buying all of them. And there you go. Showed them all out of the box. Once again, I will link all of these in the description box below. Do not sleep on any of these Funko Pops. And there's tons of other ones that are available now. I will also link in the description box. Like the Fortnite Funko Pops, there is the Yoda and all the other Christmas holiday Pops. I definitely need to get R2-D2 and C-3PO. I love Chewbacca also, but I need R2-D2 and C-3PO. I definitely need them. So those are two Funko Pops that I'm looking to score. I also have the SpongeBob SquarePants and Patrick Funko Pops. That will be linked. There is all the Chrome Funko Pops, the gold Chrome Funko Pops, which are must-haves, which I definitely need to also get Thor. But yeah, there's so many that keep releasing. I will post in the description box below. Just look for your convenience. I like to post where you can find all these Pops. And, you know, it's hard out there shopping for them sometimes. And at least when you order them, as I said, guaranteed mint condition. So, one more time, shout out to Entertainment Earth for the love. I appreciate it. And definitely subscribe if you're new for more Funko Pop content.
Don't do it. Don't lick the soul, man. Don't do it. Don't. I'm an addict for sneakers.
What's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. Introduce yourself, man.
It's your boy K-Rich.
We are over at Retro Kings. And what do we got here? Tell them.
We got that Nigel 1, boy.
So, if you don't know how I feel about these, I think these are horrible. But, how do you feel about them?
Right now, this is a overall quality of this shoe is dope. Each shoe is different. Like, look at that. What? He says this is gross, but like, yo.
That's nasty, dude.
Did somebody do this to the shoe?
Why beat the shoe when you already got the shoe
this is
beat?
how you buy it, like this.
Oh, okay.
Could you? So he likes them, I don't like them. And I thought this would be a fun video with us just discussing the do's and don'ts, why they're hot, why they're not. So what is your whole take on this shoe?
Whole take on the shoe, the fact that this tells a story behind the shoe.
I agree, I like the storytelling.
Nigel is he does the biking, sponsored by Jordan, and it's pretty dope, cause like, you know, you see, why beat the shoe is already beat. You already said that. So like, see, all these different markings.
Look at that.
These are dope. What? Come on, man.
Oh my God. Like this hurts my heart seeing this. Like this is horrible. This is just complete filth. You love it though. You love the filth.
Love the filth.
Thumbs up for the filth. Is that how it goes down?
Yes. Love the filth.
We got different tastes, man. Different taste buds. G, how you feel about these?
It's different.
that shoe right there, man.
I will say though, the leather on these is nice. Very nice leather. And I noticed it's metallic over here. The swoosh is metallic right there. And then it's got this dirt crud all over it. And then over here, totally different. And the swoosh is totally different. But look at that outsole. You love it.
That outsole's dope.
Beautiful.
The fact that it's made like that. And it's the first time I've seen like an Air Max swoosh on like a Jordan 1.
Yeah,
on any Jordan.
That's like, interesting. I didn't even notice that. Like, look at the toe right there. Oh my God.
The shoe is, yeah.
Here's a quick look at the shoe. Check it out.
gotta know how to rock this shoe. You gotta be a man's man, know how to rock this shoe.
You have to be the man that cuts the lawn.
Right.
You can't be that guy that hires someone to cut the lawn.
No.
When it comes to these shoes. Oh, what does it say inside over there?
It says Jordan biking code ever since 2017.
I mean, it's a cool concept. I will say that. But me, like, I just always wanted to have that clean pair of kicks, and I always do. So I could never wear something that's just filth, just complete filth. But I guess you gotta be able to style them right.
Yeah,
that's basically how it goes.
Yeah, you gotta know how to rock this shoe. If you don't know how to rock this shoe, then you're gonna look real.
You can actually wear these today. You got the right outfit for these.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Because you got the red outsole with the red tee, hits of black. You got your Yankee fitted. That's right. I like that. New York. So hit that thumbs up button. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and we'll catch you guys next time. We out.